Hey, how's it going, you Lazy J fans? Today I'm going to be doing a review on Speedco farm gate latch. That's what we use for our goat's gate, and so I'm going to be showing that to you. The cost of it is $24.42, so right around 25 bucks. I'll have a link down in the description that you can purchase one from Amazon. It's an awesome gate latch. So let's get into the review. Alright, so first off, this latch is really easy to install. It's just 2 bolts on the top, 2 bolts on the bottom. Looks like I need to put another bolt in there. And then on the gate part, it's just 2 bolts through here. And it comes with shims that you can put in here for different size gates. For this gate, we didn't need the shim. Alright, and then next, it's really easy to open with one hand, and also animals can open it. So in order to open it, you have to lift these up. So there's no way an animal is going to be able to lift that up unless they got opposable thumbs like a monkey or something. But you just lift that up. Really easy to open with one hand. And it's nice and sturdy. It's real sturdy. It ain't going nowhere. One of our goats named Karen, she's an escape artist. And she hasn't figured out how to open it yet. Another thing is you can put a lock down here. So if you want to use it for the gate on the front of your property, you can lock it up. Another positive thing for this gate latch is it can swing in or out. Go one way and go this way. One of the cons that I would say is you need about 3 to 4 inches in order to mount it. So if you're wanting a flush mount gate that comes all the way to your post, then it's not going to work for you. But if you have 3 to 4 inches to mount it, then it'll work great. And also you can take and put, if you want to hook this to like a T-post, instead of using lag screws, you can use U-bolts and just go around the T-post. So in conclusion, it's a really great, solid farm latch, and it works great for cows, horses, and even the smartest of goats. Goats can be big escape artists, and it manages to keep ours in. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and check out that affiliate link down below. And go ahead and purchase you one of these latches for your gate, and I will get a commission if you decide to purchase one. Thanks. Laters. Bye-bye.